In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit and delete pay rates. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise selected. You do need enterprise level permissions to do this. Then click on Time. Go to your new top menu bar and select Configuration. From the drop-down menu, choose Pay Rates. You should arrive at a list of your pay rates. You can see the pay type, pay rate, bill type, bill rate, employee, project, task, activity, policy, differential, and start date and end date. If you want to edit a pay rate you've already created, click on that pay rate. And now I can make any changes I want to. Maybe instead of a flat rate, I want this to be an add to rate. I could also change the amount. I could change the bill type or bill rate. I could add a differential. Maybe I'll go ahead and do that. I could change the date range, either the start or the end date. I could change this to a different employee. Maybe this project wasn't Hostess. Maybe it was something else. So I can click on Project. Let's say it was Coffee Shop 3 Close. And the project or task, I could change that as well. If I click this arrow, I'll go ahead and choose the same thing, Coffee Shop 3 Close, turn off and wash. I could also change the activity, add a policy, or add any notes. If you changed your mind and you don't want to make these edits, click Close. I do, so I'm going to choose Save. And now those changes have been saved. If you want to delete a pay rate altogether, click on that pay rate and choose Delete. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to delete that pay rate. If you don't, click Cancel. I do, so I'm going to choose OK. And now that pay rate has been deleted. That's how you can edit and delete pay rates in TeamWork 5. Check out the next video to learn how to view your time clocks.